Hello and welcome, beautiful. Thank you so much for being here. I am Cody, the founder of Montarbo Skincare, always here to help you have the most healthy, glowing, and gorgeous skin possible. If you love talking about skincare, if you are struggling with your skin with stubborn skin concerns like melasma, fine lines and wrinkles, sun damage, acne scarring, and you love talking about products, or you want to hear honest professional reviews about other brands and products, feel free to like this video and subscribe. That's what I do here. All things skin, all things helping you achieve your skincare goals, regardless of the brand or your skin concern or age. So today's video, I am reviewing a brand. Forgive my pronunciation, my gay lisp is a little much, but it's called Dimnage Skincare. And it is a nano device that comes with this little pen in a box. And then it has these little tips that you put onto the device. And then these little ampules that you use after you apply it. And so I'll be honest with you, I have a professional one that is very popular. It's by Regenerate, and it's amazing and people love it. It's such a great quality facial treatment when we do it on clients, helping with pigmentation, pores, brightening, acne, stimulation, getting the skin healthy, able to penetrate more products. So when they reached out to me, trust me, the companies that want you to kind of talk about their products sometimes get very clever with the words that they use, making it sound like it is, it is the most advanced piece of technology for home use, better than a professional device. I don't play that game with people. I'm never going to say like this device is as good as a professional device. This is an amazing device for home use, but it is not the same as a professional service or nano service that you would get from a professional, okay? I'm just letting you know now. But for home use, for you, if you're dealing with like issues like pigmentation, unhealthy skin, and you want products to penetrate more, and you have large pores, and you're just wanting to you're into gadgets at home, this device is definitely worthy of your attention. I'm going to show you the name of the company here. It comes in this little pen like this, and you put these little ampules on there. They have two different ones. They have one for like daily use, and then they have one that's a little bit more stronger for more penetration and more exfoliation. The one for daily use, I was like, I wonder if it's really gonna do anything, but it's lovely. If you wanna every day kind of do this, I think it won't hurt your skin. I just don't know if long-term use of that is necessary and would be beneficial, because you don't always wanna be like derma rolling your face or aerating your face or just traumatizing the surface of the skin. Not that this will do that, but I think that at first you could use it every day and then you kind of back off of it. So I really tested this for months. This was sent to me last summer, and I really just wanted to make sure before I came online that I would share every benefit with you. So I'm not gonna do it now because I don't wanna waste these. I will have other videos later where I'm showing you how to use it. But the daily one was fine. It was not very aggressive and definitely helped stimulate a little bit and help products penetrate. The one that is really great though is the one that's a little bit stronger, and this is just used 1 to 2 times a week. And that one you can sit there and be a little bit more aggressive and do like a little more spot treatment around the eyes or on little like pigmented areas or anything. I would be mindful if you have like active acne, pimples, and your skin is sore, to be mindful of something like this. You could probably use it a little bit, but use it with caution, especially when you're using a lot of active products, because you're probably thinking, oh, I need to use something like this so I get the product to penetrate deeper. That's not true. You don't always need the product to penetrate deeper. There's a reason why the product is supposed to take time to penetrate in the skin. There's a reason why your skin rejects everything and is pushing everything out with the oils and the skin layers. So things are not necessarily supposed to get into the skin, right? So don't overdo things thinking that you need everything to penetrate deeper into the skin, because you can cause a lot of issues and a lot of sensitivity and a lot of like allergic reactions and sensitization to the skin later that'll pop up that you'll think, what am I doing wrong? And it's not you. You just want to have nice results, but you're overdoing it because companies will tell you, oh my God, you can use this every day. It's amazing. Listen, you're not supposed, we don't do this every day on clients. We do it once a month on clients. So, and then they have also these little ampules. I'll be honest, I didn't feel like the ampules did much brightening that you apply afterwards. So you don't use it when you apply it. So you need to find like a serum. Maybe you use the Peach and Lily serum, or you could even use my mask. That's what we use professionally to nano people and needle people, is the Extreme Hydration Repair Mask. And then you would put this ampule on the skin afterwards, especially in the areas that you're trying to brighten. It's cool because it has tranexamic acid, which is the newer ingredient for pigmentation that's a little more gentle, that's an alternative to hydroquinone. And then it has hydration stuff. It has sake in here and niacinamide, which is really great for pores and redness. The sake is helping to kind of gently dissolve the skin a little bit so that you get, a little bit of exfoliation or refining to the skin. And then it has sodium hyaluronic, which will penetrate the skin a little bit, and the polyglutamate and beta glucan, which is really great actually, because both of those will hydrate the skin, heal the skin, strengthen the skin, help with the skin barrier. They also will allow you to be able to use other active ingredients more frequently without issues and sensitivity. So I felt like they did a good job on the formula of the serum. I just didn't personally notice much results as I was hoping for the quality of the device and the ingredients. But it could be that because I already use a lot of other stuff, it just wasn't strong enough for me, or maybe I just needed to use more. So it's not something I'm saying it's not worthy of your attention. I'm just saying that for me, I was hoping for more results with the serum. But for the device itself and these tips that it comes with, they're just really great. I'm actually gonna open one up for you because I want you to see it. It's like a little silicone pyramid, and I was a little nervous at first if it would be truly effective as well as safe for people, because some people get carried away thinking they need to just derma roll their face every single day. So it's just the tiniest little tip, and I'm gonna push it out. I don't know if you can kind of see that. It's hard to really see, but it's the perfect little tip for daily home use, where I think it's gonna just keep most people safe. And what I liked about this, it didn't feel like it tugs. Sometimes a professional one, it doesn't glide very well on the skin. I mean, it does if you're using like a hydration mask, but it can still tug the skin. With how they engineered this, I'm actually impressed. There's no tearing or tugging on the skin, which is nice, which means that it's safe, or more safe for home use for everyday people that are trying to get benefits and results with skin brightening, pore refining, and just quality of health with their skin with this device. So I definitely think that you should look into this. I'll be coming out with more videos. Again, the brand is called Demnage, and it's just a really great device for home use. I do have a discount code. I haven't mentioned that because some people think like that's the only reason I would talk about it. So you don't have to use the discount code. You can just go buy it. I'm sure they have discount on there, but I will leave that below if you're interested. But it's not the reason I'm telling you that this device is amazing. But I will say that it's amazing enough that me and the company have been in talks for me being able to sell it in my office to clients that are interested in like devices and stuff. So definitely think this is worthy of your attention and something that you should look into if you're looking to step up your game at home with a little device. Thank you so much for sending me this device, Demage, and thank you for making great products. I think this is probably the best quality gadget device that I've ever seen or used, because some of them, girl, they fall apart. They just they're not as effective, even though they were marketed as being amazing and effective. It's just the quality of the device itself, even though it's battery operated, is really robust and really powerful, enough for you to get beautiful results at home. So anyway, if you have any questions, feel free to ask them below. Feel free to look in the description. Feel free to look in the description box below for also more information. Remember to stay gorgeous, and I'll see you soon in a new video. Mwah! Bye.